Hey guys, we have a very interesting package to show you right here, so let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the charger for something that's inside this box. Let's take a look at the charger first. Now we can see connectors hardware right here. Looks like this. And also we have a voltmeter display with a very special connector right here. And finally, the most interesting part. Do you have any guesses so far? Okay, so this is the 21 amp hours, 60 volts additional extra battery on top of the standard one for Sur-Ron bike. So what's great about this battery is how much battery capacity you actually get for this weight. The weight of this battery, let's quickly check that. Okay, so the overall weight is 547.6 grams, which is roughly 5.4 kilograms. And if we remove this casing, it will be around 5.3 kilograms. And for this weight, you get around 3.9 ampere hours per kilogram. Whereas the stock battery of the Sur-Ron, which is 32 ampere hours and the weight is around 11 kilograms, it only has around 2.9 ampere hours per kilogram of weight. So this is very good for this battery. It has a very good capacity to weight ratio. And now let's quickly do like that. Okay, so now we can see that the weight of the battery is 5.2 kilograms, almost 100% accurately. As you can see, this little casing looks very good quality build, and now we will charge this battery. We will fully charge it because it has to match the battery in the bike charge level. We will connect everything and show you how everything works. So the battery right now is being charged, and red indicator states that this 5 amp charger will take around 4 hours to fully charge this battery, and once the charge is finished, this indicator will become green. Let's also check out how the battery additional safety mounting system works. So right here we have these straps, extra straps, that will hold your battery if you locate them like this on the standard cap. So besides these straps, the standard straps that come with this casing, you can also attach your battery and keep it secure in place with these additional straps. After this battery gets fully charged, we will connect everything to the bike and show you how it looks. Okay, so right here we have a 52 ampere hour 60 volts battery and this 21 ampere hour 60 volts battery as well. I will show you right now how to install everything on the bike. So right now, first of all, I will install this battery right here, direct drop-in. And now, very important thing right here, I will connect a voltmeter to this battery and I will check the voltage. Because the voltage, it has to match both batteries voltage, maximum 0.5 difference. That's very important when you connect the batteries together. Okay, so right now let's first connect the wire harness. This is the way it works. So right here I connect, sorry, not this one, this connector. And then I connect another connector right here. And then lastly, I connect this connector into our battery. Let's locate it like this first. And now I can turn on the kill switch after everything is plugged in. This is an important step. Now I will gently arrange the wiring right here and close the cap so that I can work upstairs. So yes, we can close the cap right here. Yes, close it. Make sure no wiring gets damaged or hold too much. So this is the way you locate it. And now first I use this strap, and it goes all the way down right here under the bike. So this is our, let's first keep our voltmeter away. One moment right here. Okay, let's keep this voltmeter right here temporarily and get back to this strap. Okay, so look right here. We attached it, not too hard, just to secure the battery right here first, and then work on these two straps. So this strap, you put it right here, it goes through and goes here, like so. Same thing with this strap. Right here, keep the wires away. Oops. Okay, and now after we got it on, we will locate the battery perfectly so that the seat is empty, so you have this spacing right here, and then you tighten everything. So you tighten this strap first, and then you tighten this strap, and then you tighten this one. Okay, so the battery is pretty secure. Again, I did not attach the additional straps that hold the battery onto the cap. You can do that to make it absolutely good and secure. Right now it is not possible to move it around, and it is attached very good right there. So yeah, this is how it works. And then we have this wire right here, the voltmeter wire and the battery power wire, so you can locate it something like that. And now we will turn everything on. So this bike has a programmable nuclear controller, and the important thing, this battery, it's only will work on stock controller power, so no more than 80 battery current, and we will correct that in the settings right now. So we go to control modes, battery, and then we reduce that down to 80 amps to be able to use this battery. Okay, 80 amps right here, very important. So now we have 52 ampere hour battery. We have a 52 ampere hour battery right here, and the 21 ampere hour on top of it. And you possibly can do a 25 ampere hour, making a total of 76 ampere hours in the Sur-Ron. So this could bring up to roughly 130 miles of range. That's a lot, guys. Thank you for watching.